Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve multi-step linear equations, and I'll drop a link in the description for my video on how to solve these, the steps that we take. So first thing we would notice is that we don't have to distribute anything, we don't have to combine any like terms, everything is good, so we can go ahead on to the next step. What I'm going to do is get the variable term by itself by performing the opposite operation here. Add 7 to both sides. This cancels out. Drop down the negative 2w equals 11 plus 7, which is 18. Now divide by this coefficient to cancel out that variable, or the coefficient rather. Cancel out to solve for the variable, which is 18 divided by negative 2, or negative 9. Last thing we would do is take this negative 9 and plug it back in for here and check if this solution is legit. Plugging in negative 9 here, it's essentially like working backwards. So negative 2 times negative 9 gives us positive 18. You do 18 minus 7, you will get 11. So this checks out. Let's do another one. Now here I've got a variable on both sides. And as I mentioned in my last video, when this happens, it does not matter which side the variable ends up on in the end, whichever you prefer. I like my variables on the left side. So what I'll do is I'll take away 2x here. If I take away 6x and solve the equation that way, I'll still get the same answer, so it doesn't really matter. Take away 2x here, this cancels out. Now remember, 4 and this negative 2x are not like terms, so we're only going to subtract 2x from 6x. It's still positive, so it'll be 4x. Bring down the minus 4. Equals negative 8. Because there's that minus sign there. Copy and paste. Next thing we do is add. This cancels out. Negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. Bring down the 4x. Move this down here a bit. And the last thing we'll do is divide. I'll write it over here. This cancels out. Now we have x equal to negative 1. Now plugging in negative 1 to the original equation, 6 times negative 1, that is negative 6, minus 4. Is that the same, as plugging in negative 1 here times 2, which will give me negative 2 minus 8. Negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10. Negative 2 minus 8 is also negative 10, so this is true. Checking your solution is not necessary personally, but it's nice to go in there and just see if you did everything correctly. And when you do, you feel pretty good about yourself because you see a lot of these in algebra, and I want to make them as painless as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.